Good morning students. I hope you have already done exercise 1.5. Today we will discuss regarding exercise 1.6. What is to be there? Laws of exponent. I know you have already done in 8th standard this one. First law, that is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, or we can say x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. In the same way, if division sign is to be there, then in exponent minus sign will be there. If power to power is to be there, then both power got multiply. So it is to be written in both the forms. Now x to the power 0, that is always equal to 1. In negative exponent is to be there, then it become positive if we reciproc the statement. If the bases are different but the power is same, then we can multiply the base and the power is written once. In the same way, if the statement are in division form, powers are same but the statement are different, so we will divide first statement and the power is written once. These things you know already. So now start. Let's sum first part. What is the sum? That is 64 raised to power 1 by 2. We will convert our the base in such a way that its power is the same as it is to be given in the fraction. So 64 whose power is 2, it 8 power 2. So 8 square to the power 1 by 2. Now apply the law. Power to the power, any base is to be there and its power to power, then the power will got multiply. We will apply the law. So here it will become 8 to the power 2 multiply 1 by 2. We will get the cancel 2 by 2. So we will left with only 8. In the same way, let's do sum to second part, that is 32 to the power 2 by 5. Now base is 32 and we want to convert right 32 as a power in 5. So just take the prime factorization of 32. We will get 2 to the power 5. So it become 2 to the power 5 to the power 2 by 5. Again apply the same law which we have already done in sum first. Which one we have done? That is power to the power, that power is to multiply. You have to write it here. I am not going to write. You have to write. So the power will is to be there, then we have to multiply both the exponents. It will become 2 to the power 5 multiply 2 by 5. 5 will cancel with 5. So we will left with 2 to the power 2. Don't leave the answer up to here. You have to simplify, means 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4. So you got the answer. I hope you understood this. So what is your homework? Homework to do exercise 1.6 and try examples also. Clear? Goodbye.